What's up, fellow travelers? My name is Bran and welcome to this channel and the first vlog of this channel's history. So give me a break, the vlogs will get better as time goes on. I got to get used to it. But today I'm heading to Luskville Falls, a trail situated within the Gatineau Park in the Outaouais region of the province of Quebec in Canada. It's about a 25 to 30 minute drive from the downtown city of Ottawa or Gatineau. It's an amazing trail that offers great views of the Outaouais River, the Outaouais region, the Pontiac region, and some farmland. It's really beautiful. It's a hike that usually takes about 2 to 2.5 hours by if you're just walking. And if you're trail running like me, it takes usually about an hour. So it's a really good workout. The first half of the trail is a relatively steep incline, but still after that smoothens out and it offers you just a really beautiful view and great time in nature. So that being said, let's hit the road. We have about a 20-minute drive from where I live, and I'll see you over there. All right, let's do it. That was a nice drive. So now we're here. Let's just get suited up for this hike. All right, let's switch to GoPro.
And so you see what I've been telling you. It's nothing like it seems. It's what I've been telling you. Oh, you'd learn what I mean if you came. But the risk, are you willing to take? Fashioned to run, oh, and we'll go farther than we've been. The journey waiting to start. Imagine us going far. Oh,
Alright, what's up guys? Alright, so I just made it halfway. I'm at the fire tower right now. The fire tower is up here. It's been there for a very long time. I remember when I was a child. I remember coming up here with my dad when I was young and just coming to see this, or my mom. So yeah, there's no views on top of the hill, unfortunately. All the views are on the way up or on the way down. But still, for an extra 500 meters or 1 kilometer there and back, just to see the fire tower, in my opinion, it's totally worth it. Just finished the trail. It's really well, and it's pretty flat at this point. It then gets rough when you go down and rough when you come back up. So really, this is just a good way to relax. It's a good way just to sit down and have a little picnic on top of here with family. So yeah, don't climb the fire tower, please. There's signs everywhere saying not to climb it. Obviously, it's for safety reasons. On top, there's wood that, let's be honest, it's probably been there since I was young. So I don't trust it. I would not trust it if I was you. But yeah, so now I'm gonna head back down. I'm gonna do a few time lapses, a few B-roll on the way back and see how it looks. And this is one of my favorite parts of the trails, to head back down because there's some good views, and I'm gonna cross the waterfalls again on the top of it. So that being said, let's jump right into it.
Have you heard about summer snow? When it falls on you, your blood runs cold. But don't you sweat your pretty skin, 'cause it melts away for it sinks in. And you dream about this very night, when the moon runs down the summer sky. Could it be the morning of the spring, when the sea runs dry and start to sing? Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live. Do you ever feel like going back when nothing seemed to be?
So I probably haven't mentioned yet, like, why do I come here so often? Because I come here at least 2 to 3 times a week. I actually moved where I live now because I was so close to the Gatineau Park. So the Gatineau Park offers so many trails, good trails. Obviously, the Outaouais region is not known for its mountains. There's no mountains here. I mean, the mountain that we have is what I'm on right now, and it only has about 290 meters of elevation, so about 1,000 feet, which isn't that tall considering that in Quebec you have mountains that are over 1,000 meters and more, so a couple of 1,000 feet. That being said, there's tons of stuff to do in the Gatineau Park. There's amazing lakes, Lake Meech, which is a great one, and there's tons of great areas to go picnic, to go swimming, some good hikes that go from about a couple of minutes to a couple of hours to day hikes. Don't forget, the Gatineau Park has over 300 square kilometers of land, so it's a huge chunk of the Outaouais region, and most people here that live here in the region come to the Gatineau Park on the weekends. And there's some great little towns near the Gatineau Park, whether it be Chelsea, Wakefield, the Pontiac region, which is cities like Luskville, and which offers you great places to eat and snack and get some amazing ice cream and some great poutine on the way home after a long day of hiking. And let's be honest, after a long day of hiking, you can allow yourself to have those pleasures. So that being said, I usually come here just to change my ideas. I love trail running. I'm getting into trail running this year. So a lot of the videos this summer, because we can't travel internationally, and because some provinces are not letting us travel within Canada, I'm going to be mainly traveling within Quebec this summer. More specifically, I'm going to be visiting a lot of the national parks, the great national parks of Quebec. So we're going to be doing a lot of huge road trips, some that are going to last a couple of days, do some great camping, visit some of the great sites of Quebec, whether it be the Charlevoix region, the Gaspésie region, Montreal, Quebec, and Laurentides, l'Estrie, anyways, etc. and etc. There's some great places to visit in Quebec. Until we can go outside of Quebec, I really do want to go visit the Maritimes this summer, if that still will be permitted. But until then, yeah, I just really want to visit Quebec. I really want to spend time in the national parks this summer. So yeah, it'll be some great B-rolls this summer, great time lapses coming up. This weekend I'm heading to Mont-Tremblant, which is a very touristy region of Quebec. It's known for obviously skiing and its trails. So I'm going to be heading to the national park there. So expect a video next week on that, and after that we'll see. Probably gonna head to Charlevoix in a week or two from now. So just for that, you know, that's why I love this trail, is because I'm just sitting here right now talking to you guys, and while I'm doing that, I'm also having a time lapse. I'm just enjoying this view. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. It's breathtaking, really, and it's literally just a drive away from the city. I mean, it's only 20 minutes drive from downtown. So if you're a tourist, you know, and you want to just escape the urban jungle for the day, the Outaouais region offers you so many tourism activities, whether it be camping, whether it be canoeing, kayaking, trail running, hiking, etc. I mean, there's just so much to do here in the region. And I hopefully this summer we'll do lots of that, because there's just so many activities, and I really want to showcase my region, because there's tons of stuff to do here. So yeah, that being said, we still have a hike to finish.
Whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live. Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live. Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live. The more you love, the more you live.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It took over 4 hours of hiking to do, with all the B-rolls and all the time lapses I did, but still I enjoyed it. And I hope after this video you kind of understand why I enjoy this trail so much. That being said, next week I'll be heading to the Mont Tremblant National Park, so expect a video within the next week on that. And if you guys want to see more travel tips, tricks, or vlogs in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also leave a comment if you have any travel related questions I can answer in a future video. That being said guys, don't forget, safe travels.